Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. Today I will be discussing about how to use Bubblegum Shield in Subway Surfers City. So pretty much guys, the Bubblegum Shield in Subway Surfers City is a 15-second power up that acts as a protective bubble, allowing you to survive one collision without losing momentum. And when it is active guys, you can swipe down while in the air in order for you to bounce higher, and it will also collect nearby items and blast away obstacles. Now pretty much guys, you can have the bubblegum shield automatically. If it doesn't, you can just simply double tap on it in order for you to use it. And pretty much the bubblegum shield will give you protection, so it will act as a safety barrier if you crash, and the bubble will explode, clearing the area. And you can also have a bounce move, which is ideal for tricky dodges and reaching high items. And the bubble act as a magnet as well, vacuuming up coins, tokens, and power-ups. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like. Thanks for watching.